Asali tupo.
Maluka uke kasa kampale ngulu. Uke kasa kampale ngulu. Njagala Katonda ole yantika kunsi yakuuma embeera ne gyetulimu tuve mu kwerinda ne mumulonda emirundi 5 nenge emirundi 5 gyemulonze kizibu kyalina kyekimu lwaki tulonda abantu emirundi 5 ng'ekizibu kyetulina kyekimu abantu balina mirimu abantu balwala bafa bw'olaba amalwaliro bagazimba kirulu ddwaliro ddungi makino naye temuli ddagala lwaki temuli ddagala bufamasi buli mu maaso gye batwala eddagala kakati njagala tukole system KCCA gaba license lwaki ogaba license ya pharmacy maaso g'eddwaliro lwaki ogula akabaala k'ekimeeza ate waliwo mu maaso g'ebbaala ennungi njagala ngamba abantu tukole ekintu ekigenda okuyamba Uganda problemu y'ettaka abantu bagenze mu gete eyo ekibatwala si kwagala kubeerayo abantu babagobye ku mataka gye babeera omugagga omu agula ekyalo kiramba waliwo be nayambako aba heritage bali bagobye famire 3,000 abazigobye omulundi gumu ate mu covid nenjagala okwebaza President Museveni kyeyakola abantu abo yabasaasi njagala obukulembeze bwa Uganda bubeere n'abantu abalumirirwa njagala munnonde njagala munjagale kubanga nange mbaagala and the buyer. We want to create a small gap between the business people and the leaders. The political wing is totally separate from the business people. In Kampala, this is where people do business. So many people are failed to do business because they don't have capital. The capital that they don't have creates them to become the hawkers. They become hawkers because they can't pay a shop. They become hawkers because they can't pay a store. So we need to work hand in hand with the people and understand their problems. There's a lot of misunderstanding about registration in Kampala. No one knows the number of border borders, no one knows the number of buses, no one knows the number of taxis. But how do you become a leader? How do you service this people? So I've come out as a person to help the service, to give service to the people of Kampala.
How are you going to start garbage?
Garbage, it is very simple. Garbage is a business. We can do what they call garbage collection and garbage selection. We can create what they call the garbage banks. Put all the garbage together. We create jobs for the youth who don't have jobs in the ghettos. Most of the ghettos don't have pathways where trucks can go. We get a few youth, zone the areas, count a few numbers and get people. Drainage is very simple. If you work on garbage, you're working on drainage. The problem why the channels bulge, the water comes high because there's a lot of agricultural waste every water. When they put the agricultural waste in the channels, the water goes high. And then that water is the one that creates the floods. So if we work on the drain, if we work on the garbage, we are working on the drainage. We can do easy silting. We don't need people to come from foreign to help us on that. You're going around and about. So we remove roundabouts and we work on the traffic system. We create a Kampala transport police.